Welcome. Today's tutorial is about our GALE resources. The library subscribes to two different GALE databases, as well as we have purchased several books for your research needs. To explore the databases or the books, there are a few places you can do that. First, if you just want to explore the databases very quickly, if you scroll down, you'll notice links to our two databases here. Student Resources in Context is a basic overview of all disciplines. And then we have Biography in Context, which is a database just about biographies of people throughout history. There's another way to access all of our GALE resources, and that's if you click at the top of the page where it says Digital Library. I'll click here, and it takes us to our GALE homepage. Once we're redirected to the GALE homepage, we might have to enter a password. It came right up for me, but it might ask you to enter a password, and if that happens, our password is La Colina, all one word. Now I'm here at our GALE homepage, and I can see there's links to our databases again. There's also a way for us to search all of our books here, and notice we have several books for your research needs. A lot of these are related to the Middle Ages, but we also have some books on renewable energy, biographies, genetic diseases, the Holocaust, and different science topics. So definitely take a look at our books that are available through our GALE Resource Center. These books should also come up when you do a search in the library catalog. Okay, let's explore the GALE Student Resources in Context database. And here it's going to ask me to enter in our password. So remember, it's La Colina. And then once I'm redirected again, I can search different topics. So you'll notice that there are, lots of different topics that are organized. Literature, language, arts, history. I can search within history and see, if I just want to do a quick search, these are kind of the most popular topics that come up. I can also do a search up here. Let's just say that I want to search Abraham Lincoln. And from here, I'm taken to a home page on Abraham Lincoln. This is an overview of who Lincoln was. And then there's also, if I go back, there's several other pieces of information related to Lincoln, and I will show you a little bit about that. There are 3 articles, 53 reference articles here, so these are all reference books, 21 primary sources, 26 images, and 29 videos, and so on. So you can see there's a lot of information here about Abraham Lincoln. The great thing about databases is that it allows you access to a hidden web. This is content that would not be available if you were on Google because it's content that we have to pay for. So newspaper publications such as the Washington Post or the New York Times does not allow free access to their content. But if you go through the database, you can read those articles. Same here with the reference articles. If I click these reference articles, I can see different encyclopedia entries about Abraham Lincoln. This is information that would not be available on the web. Last thing I want to mention is you'll notice these like the orange square or the red triangle or the green circle. This is basic content level. So the green circle is the easiest, and it's geared for maybe 7th and 8th grade readers. The orange square would be high school, and then the red triangle would be more difficult content geared toward older readers like seniors in high school and college level students. So just be aware of that as you're reading. The last thing that I do want to show you is when you're in the when you're in the GALE database, you can listen to the article. You can print it, you can save it, you can share it, you can email it to yourself. So definitely explore these resources that we have available to you. And if you need any help at all, come see me in the library. I hope that helps.